Hey, Ryan here from Media Ace Marketing. Your online presence is like the front of your truck. If it's beat up and missing information, people are going to assume your work is too. And most contractors don't even realize it's costing them jobs. Think about it. When someone gets your name from a friend, what's the first thing they do? They're going to Google you. And in those first 10 seconds, they're going to decide whether to even call. Your future client is looking at two contractors. Both do great work. One shows up professionally online, the other doesn't. Who do you think they're going to call first? All because you can show up in search results. That doesn't mean customers are going to choose you. Here are the 5 areas killing your credibility online. First, your Google Map Pack presence. Are you showing up when people search for contractors in your area? Second, your reviews. Not just how many stars, but whether you respond to them. How you handle a negative review tells future customers exactly how you're going to handle problems on their project. Third, your website first impression. When someone lands on your homepage, do they immediately understand what you do and why they should choose you? Fourth, your project photos. Are you showing high quality images that tell the story of your work? Or just random, poorly lit pictures? Fifth, what appears when someone Googles your business name directly? Is your information consistent, professional, and controlled by you? Each of these fixes adds up, and even in the next 90 days, just updating reviews and Google visibility can mean a real difference in who picks up the phone. Would you hire you based on what shows up when you're searched online? That's the question you need to answer. If you're serious about becoming the go-to in your space, message me for a quick, no-pressure video audit. Because this isn't just marketing, it's how your business is judged before anyone picks up the phone.